My name is Kuong Hon. I'm the chairman of the General Association of World Sport Federation and JUA Head Sport Director. First of all, I would like to congratulate the Hangzhou government and the Hangzhou Asian Games Organizing Committee for the great success of the 19th Asian Games, which was the largest and most advanced international multi-sport event hosted by China. During the 16 days of dream sport action, around 12,000 athletes from 45 countries and regions shared their unforgettable moment in Hangzhou, marking the third time that China has hosted the continental multi-sport event following Beijing in 1990 and Guangzhou in 2010. Asian Games is a platform for sport exchanges, culture communications, and emotional connection among Asian athletes. The Hangzhou Asian Games features a total of 40 sports, 61 disciplines, and 481 events, including most Olympic sports, such as judo. But it also features sports including martial arts, soft tennis, and golf, which hold distinct cultural significance in Asia. In the Hangzhou Asian Games, China showed its power to the world with 201 golds, 111 silver, and 71 bronze, bettering its previous record of 199 golds at Guangzhou 2010. As we always said that a game changes a city, and actually we all noticed that Hangzhou had been greatly changed because of the Asian Games. Now the Asian Game is over, but I am sure that sport industry will continue to develop in Hangzhou using the venues constructed and expressed, trained for the Asian Games. We also would like to contribute our powers and effort for the development of Hangzhou if it is needed. Thank you. 谢谢，祝大家新年快乐，身体健康。